Hello, Jim from Renovating House 142 here. And I don't have a ton to update this week, but I wanted to talk a little bit more about some of the things that have been going on in my head while I've been working what little I have been over here. So, I don't know about you, but when I'm doing some sort of task like cleaning, the actual task itself doesn't take a whole lot of mental exertion. So I find that that's a good time to think about things. And this week, I've spent a lot of time cleaning our existing house and been working on just a couple of minor things here at House 142. I did put up a security camera system. For those who are curious, it's a Reolink wireless system. And I thought it would be a poor choice to post the location of the cameras as well as show the camera feed views. So I opted not to do that. I didn't record that part, but I did a little cleaning here in the shop, and a couple of people have asked, when am I going to get to the house? Well, there's a couple of things kind of holding that up. One is the financing, and the actual purchase deal is taking a lot longer than we had anticipated. We figured we would have had the foundation repaired and the roof repaired by now, but unfortunately things are just not working out with the bank the way that we were anticipating. It'll happen one way or another. I mean, we will own this house probably, but it's just not going as smoothly as we had anticipated and hoped. I did get the camera system up this week, and it is functioning very well. I got the cameras up on Saturday, and on Sunday morning at 7:50 a.m., I got a notification that there was activity at the front door, so I pulled it up on my phone and checked it, and sure enough, there's two guys, like full-grown guys with backpacks, on the deck at 7:50 in the morning on a Sunday, knocking on the door. They tried the handle, and then they kind of looked in the windows. They knocked a couple more times, and then turned around and left. I'm hoping that since the house has been empty for going on 2 months now, that these sort of incidents will not happen very frequently, or people will figure out that whoever they're looking for doesn't live here anymore. That's what I'm hoping for. But it was really kind of cool that the system did exactly what it was supposed to do. It was easy to install. The cameras are solar powered, so I didn't have to run a bunch of wire. It was really cool. So, oh, by the way, the Reolink system, this is just funny for me. The Reolink system had English instructions and then a whole bunch of other instruction languages, but the second one was German, not Spanish or French like it usually is here in the United States. It was English and then German, and there was an insert in one of the packages, in one of the boxes, and it said warm tips. And it was all these pointers on how to troubleshoot the system. And I just thought that was funny that there was a slight mistranslation. We would normally say something like a hot tip, and the fact that they interpreted that as warm tips, I thought that was really funny. One of the things that kind of moves me in that direction is lilacs. So where we live, there are a lot of lilac bushes, and it feels like a lot of times when I've had very significant phases of my life, there's been lilacs present. There was lilacs right outside the bedroom window of my first apartment and my second apartment, and the first house that we bought had lilacs right outside the bedroom window. And in this house, there are lilacs on the property. It's not right by the windows, but there is a lilac bush that is in desperate need of attention and care. And it's blooming right now. Just a few beautiful little purple blooms. But it just feels like that is a symbol of what we're doing. This lilac bush that just needs some love and care. It feels like that's where we're at with the house. And it, like I said, I can't explain it. I just feel like this is the place to be for me, doing what I feel like I need to be doing right now. So I'm going to leave it there and go ahead and wrap this video up. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the updates, and I hope you enjoy where we're going and what we're doing in the next, hopefully soon, moving forward with the house. So thanks.